Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings section, then go to the backup and reset, and then select erase all data factory reset. Then you have to select erase all data, and then confirm whole operation by tapping erase data, then one more time, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.